guys, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. I usually do makeup, beauty related reviews. All product I use at least for the last 2 years is vegan and cruelty free and mostly organic, like these products in here. I was about to wash my hair because this is very dirty and I usually wash my hair like once a week. So far I'm gonna quickly show you the new shampoo and conditioner that I've been really loving. These I buy the brand called Urtekram Nordic Beauty, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. The ones I use, by the way, are the Color Preserve Shampoo, Soft Wild Rose, and the conditioner the same. What I love that is with a blue sea kale and beetroot extract. The most important part that I really love about the shampoo and conditioner that it has certified organic. 99% of the ingredients, 99% of ingredients are organic in this. So it's like super healthy for your hair. As you can tell, my hair is colored, hence I'm using the Color Preserve shampoo and the Color Preserve conditioner. So I think without any further ado, let's try this. I'm gonna brush my hair first. As you see, it's super greasy. I'm gonna quickly wet my hair. Okay, my hair is wet. Let's use the shampoo. Love the natural ingredients in that, as I mentioned. What I'm doing, I always massage into roots and then I go through to the ends. I know a lot of people would say you don't need to wash like the ends of the hair, but if you use hair products like I do, then you gotta wash it off, right? Okay, I'm gonna wash it off and then come back to you to do the conditioner. Okay, so I double wash my hair using the shampoo. I did it twice just because I have this habit, because I feel like first time I wash off all the product I have on my hair and all the dirt, and second time I like really wash my hair, but you don't really have to do that. So now I'm gonna use the Color Preserve conditioner in a Soft Wild Rose with a blue sea kale and beetroot extract. Once again, 99% certified organic ingredients. Gonna really work it on to the ends and like closer to the roots, but not really on the roots, if that makes sense. Like midway length to the ends. Okay, I'm gonna leave this to sit for like 3-5 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off and come back to use. Alright guys, so I just washed my hair using this shampoo and conditioner, and honestly my hair already feels very soft. I mean, while washing it off my hair felt extremely soft, like not tangled or anything, because of the conditioner. It's so good. I'm gonna quickly dry my hair and I'll come back to you with the finished results. So see you soon. Okay, so washed and dried my hair, put a little bit of a curl in, and I did my makeup as well, as you can tell. And this is how my hair looks just now. Yeah, really love this shampoo and this conditioner. This is a new brand to me, to be honest. I'm not using this for a long time, but oh my god, you guys. Like, I couldn't recommend this more. Love it. It's vegan, cruelty-free, eco-friendly, and organic. All the ingredients are just so good for your hair. If you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, leave a comment down below, let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel, and yeah, I shall see you soon. So thanks so much for watching and bye. Highly recommend these.